He is loud, he is melodious, he speaks proudly of his roots. He is the face one instantly associates with Punjab. Okay, enough with the teaser. The sensational singer who has ruled millions of hearts for decades is, to many people's surprise, no longer an Indian citizen. Yes, I am talking about Diljit Dosanjh, the man you remember for his remarkable performance in Udta Punjab, the man who proudly flaunts his Punjabi roots, the man who became a household name after Jinne Mera Dil Lutya and so much more. Now you might be wondering, if he is such a celebrated personality, then why has his citizenship come under scrutiny all of a sudden? Well, here is what exactly happened. Reports now claim that Diljit Dosanjh became a US citizen back in 2022 and has reportedly been traveling on a US passport since September that year. And ever since this revelation surfaced, it has sparked a massive debate online. What makes this even more interesting is the timing of the controversy. Recently, a group of retired IAS officers, defense personnel and professionals from Punjab had openly appealed to Diljit to enter politics and take charge of Punjab's leadership. But Diljit clearly turned down the proposal. In a post on X, he reportedly said, "Kade bhi nahi, mera kaam entertainment karna," which roughly translates to, "Never, my job is to entertain people." At that point, many believed he simply had no interest in politics. But now, people are wondering whether his citizenship status may also have played a role in that decision. Because under Indian law, a foreign citizen cannot directly participate in Indian politics unless they regain Indian citizenship and fulfill certain residency requirements. Now here comes another important detail. It is being claimed that Diljit has been travelling to India on an e-visa since 2022, which reportedly means he does not currently hold an OCI card either. The reports also state that his spouse Sandeep Kaur is a US national, and while acquiring US citizenship, Diljit had reportedly listed a residential address in California. Naturally, the internet is now divided. Many fans argue that citizenship does not define someone's roots. According to them, Diljit has consistently represented Punjab with pride on global platforms. From his music to his interviews to his iconic statement, "Main hu Punjab," people believed his emotional bond with Punjab remains unchanged. But critics are asking a completely different question. They say, how can someone who so strongly projects Punjabi identity no longer hold Indian citizenship? And the discussion becomes even more sensitive because Diljit was recently caught in another controversy involving Khalistan sympathizers during his Canada concerts. So right now, Diljit Dosanjh is not just being discussed as an entertainer. He is also being viewed as a public figure navigating identity, politics, global fame, and public expectations, all at the same time. Meanwhile, Diljit himself has not officially responded to these claims yet. But one thing is certain, whether people support him or criticize him, this revelation has definitely triggered a huge conversation across social media and political circles in Punjab.